This is a brand new 2013 BMW 328. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a cold weather package, a heated steering wheel, a power moonroof, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, front fog lights, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.